Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class I will solve so these statements. So like if a student get marks which is greater than 90, then we will print excellent. And if the student got which is greater than 80 and less than or equal to 90, then we will print good. And if the marks is greater than 70 and less than or equal to 80, then we will print fair. And if mark greater than 60 and less than or equal to 70, then print meets expectation. So if marks greater than 40 and less than or equal to 60, let's passed. Let's put passed. And if less than 40, then print failed. Like the student got failed. So this program, user will give some input from 10, from 1 to 100 user input. So based on the input, the respective output should be appear like excellent, good, fair, meets expectation, passed, or failed. So let us comment this thing. So as we know, if you want to use scanner, we have to import java dot till dot star. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So let's so let us give the marks as input. So let marks equal to sc dot next int. So in this program, I will introduce like if we know if and else. So in this, we will learn else if. So how to use else if. So the first condition is if marks greater than 90, we have to print excellent. So if marks greater than 90, so we have to print excellent. Else if marks. So the second one is if marks greater than 80 and less than or equal to 90. So here we will use so marks if greater than 80. So ensemble is this. So double ensemble. So if marks greater than 80 and marks less than or equal to 90. So then we have to print good. So system dot out dot println. So we have to print good. So here we are using else if, which means so if statement, if not, then it will go to the else if. So if the user input which is less than 90 and greater than 80, so then this statement will be executed. So in this way we can write as many else if as many we possible. Like we can write n number of times else if. So we will use another else if. So the third point is so if. So let us copy this. So let us copy this and paste. else if again. So this third statement is if greater than 70, less than or equal to 80. So we have to print fail. So appear. So likewise, we have to copy this thing. So if 60 marks greater than 60 and less than or equal to 70, we have to write meets expectation. So greater than 60 and 70. So another last one is passed. So if it is greater than 40 and less than or equal to 60. So greater than 40, less than or equal to 60. So then we have to print passed. So if all these conditions fail, so if the user input is not 90, is not 80, 70, 60, 40, so which is less than 40, if the user input which is less than 40, so then the student is failed. So we have to print failed. Println failed. So I hope you understand, like in this class we have used the new thing is else if. So if not if, then else if will be executed. If not if else if not executed, then another else if will be executed. I hope you understand how to use else if. So everything is good. Let us run the program. So there is no errors. So let us print 91. So if we print 91, so what the output? Excellent, because the user input which is greater than 90. So I will write 91. So what will be the output? Excellent. So this is the, so excellent is the output. So let us run again. So the second one is, so which is greater than 80 and less than or equal to 90. So let us take 84. So the output should be good. So the output is good. So likewise, if it is 71, so which is greater than 70, less than or equal to 80. So it's fair. And the so meets expectation. So fourth one is meets expectation. So if the output is 61, so then it is fair, because so we have to run this program again. So if the output is greater than 60 and less than or equal to 70, so then it should print meets expectation. So let us run this program. So 61. So output is meets expectation. So if the output is 41, so we have to print passed. So if the output, like if the user input is less than 40, like 35, so then it is failed. So this is a simple program. So how you got, like how you uh, print the student marks using Java. So simple program will get the like grades like excellent, good, fair, meets expectation, passed, failed. So all these grades can be arranged to the students. So with this using simple program, I think I hope you learned how to use else if statement in this class, the new thing. So if you like this video, please like it and please subscribe it and please share it. So if you want more videos of mine, please ring the bell icon. Thank you so much, friends.